Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and you're getting an E11 error and you're wondering, what is this error and how can I get rid of it? So first of all, the E11 error is a sensor that's sensing that there's a problem with the motor. And so part of the bad news here is that this is not localized to any one place. Okay, so whenever you get these kind of errors, they can be, like for example, sensing a problem with the motor. There could be a problem with the motor. There could be a problem with the sensor. There could be a problem with the wires going to the sensor to the motor. There could be a problem with the control board. It could really be any of those things that could be creating this issue with the motor. And unfortunately, there's not a simple fix that you can do. This one almost always requires you to call a technician. The only thing I would suggest is before you call a technician is to try to do a hard restart on the washing machine, because just like a computer that's acting funny and you're not sure why, sometimes just doing a restart on it gets things working right. So what you want to do is you want to just turn your washing machine off and then cut power to it completely. So unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the breaker and leave it disconnected from power for a full minute. Then you can restore power, turn it on. That will clear out the error. And then you'll see if the error doesn't come back. If it doesn't come back, great. If it does, then at that point you're probably going to need to call a technician. Anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.